Dad Bone Outdoors here. Here's what's going on. Hopefully we're gonna get 2 flicks out of here, but we'll see what happens. We're gonna be doing a little bit of trolling at first, so we're gonna be going for pretty much everything and anything that will bite the old crankbait. So yeah, here's who I'm fishing with. We got these 2 Schoonagans right here. Hey, close your bell. Yeah.
What do we got? Small jaw? What is that? Largemouth.
Little largy. Little baby largy for the first fish of the day. Pretty quick. First cast.
Look at how tubby that little guy
Yeah,
is.
he's a fatty. Right on.
I didn't take on there, Squibber.
Thank you, James. Good looking, buddy. I'm sorry. I've been looking for a bait here, y'all.
It's alright. It's alright. Second fish of the day. No, a little drummer.
Fucking Shad Dad. Little drum bug. Shad Dad.
Right on. Second
Drum
fish.
Hey, welcome to Minnesota.
Don't get that. He choked that thing. Look at that fucking drum.
Oh my god.
A little baby bass.
Little baby big mouth.
Whatever, it's fun till the flatheads start biting, know what I'm saying? Oh! Fish on, baby! Triple! I got something good here. I think I got a small jaw, boys.
Probably another largy.
Or large.
Yep.
Baby large.
Very nice.
I'll take it.
We're all fucking on the board, boys.
That drum's popping loaded crankbait.
All right, we've got four fish hooked up already. Doing our little trolling with some crankbaits going up the creek here. Just doing a little update, but we're doing pretty good so far. First little hole that we hit did pretty good, but you'll see the next one, so stay tuned. So I didn't have the camera rolling. We got fucking tripled up right now. Little fucking 12-inch walleye, 6-inch walleye, white bass, tripled up. That's what I'm talking about.
Largemouth.
Fuck, another one. Little baby large.
Oh, I got his.
Yes, sir. Same here.
Look at
that.
that pupper. All right.
Number 8. Fish number 8 of the day already.
That makes me feel froggy.
This is awesome.
Nice geese.
Cameras wasn't on again, but fish on again. Boom. Another Walter. Getting into another hole right here that we like to go through.
Weird looking dog. Another walleye. Another walleye about the same. Oh! Look
that.
at us, huh?
That a boy.
I just got it on the ledge, bro.
I watched that thing fly.
Got one. Oh yeah, best one. Best one of the day. It's like a smallie.
It's a smallie.
Fuck
Fucking
yeah.
A. That's a nice little smallie. Look at that pop.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Get your pick real quick, huh?
Oh yeah, hold on here, bud.
Look how big that say much. Were you? Oh, it looks, it's acting like
We got two on right now.
larger.
Two largies in the boat. One after another. Very nice. Smaller ones, but we're still catching fish, boys. Oh, look at that.
There we go.
Another larger for the coders.
Alright, I'm good on this spot. I see. Nice little largie. Can you flip?
That looks a walleye.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Hey, get it.
Right on.
Look at us.
Another
Nice
Walter
one,
in the
Look at
boat.
us walleye fishing. Fucking hey, we're not even trying.
Wow.
You should see us on a day that when we are trying.
Nice eye. Nice eye.
Oh yeah. Really nice walleye. Best one yet.
Best one yet.
Oh my god. Look at that.
Look at that fucking walleye. That's what I'm talking about, boys.
Dude, that's a good one, Jones. Dude, we gotta go back.
Hey, muskrat, he just dived down right there by the wall.
Look at that walleye. Beautiful specimen.
Sorry, you
All right, everyone. We hope you liked a little trolling video here. We're heading down the river. If you guys see anything else, you'll, if you know, obviously we caught it, but
hey, we did it.
we're just heading back down, and we're gonna head to the catfish spot and try to get some flatties. That's the game plan here. But we hope you liked the little trolling video here, and remember, like and subscribe. Dad Bone Outdoors.